We work diligently in trying to find the funding to work with our roads department in order to at least repair any bad roads, but we also work with the county.
The tools that we have, we try and look at everything. In some cases, using contract work may seem counterintuitive, but at the same time, to be able to have our staff deal with more focused areas with their staff and with our staff and our equipment, and utilize them so that our staff can be more responsive to those immediate needs.
Right now, with Tabor and the Gallagher amendments, we're on such a tight budget.
So after discussing this issue with both our professional staff, engineers, and our technical staff on the road crews, and engaging our residents, we've determined that there are about 3 common solutions that have been addressed throughout the nation. One of them is, if you're not willing to pay for the cost of road infrastructure, you can always devolve your roads back to gravel roads. It's not one that we found after 18 months of engagement that any of our residents, they don't want to use that solution. The second one is taking our IGA, our intergovernmental agreement, and giving our roads to the county for maintenance. And the third is a sales tax.
That would be our last resort, and at this point it's probably going to be something that we need to look into for the simple fact that we just don't have the funding to take care of the roads that we have now.
So if a sales tax was passed, it'd be a combination of things. Is for the most part, we need to preserve the roads that are in fairly good shape right now. So a lot of focus would be on paved roads. Even though they seem to be in good condition now, it doesn't take very long, especially in the Colorado environment. Once you have those cracks and that moisture gets in and freeze thaw, it doesn't take very long for them to start falling apart.
We've tried to become more transparent. We've created a budget transparency module that's on our website that allows any resident to go on there and break down the different funds within our budget and take a look at where the money's going, where those expenditures are going. So in general, I think as a result of the actions that we've taken to be more transparent, that yes, I think residents are starting to understand our budget limitations.
The SOS Committee is a group that stands for Pueblo West. SOS is for Save Our Streets, and we're a group that we got together to collect facts, both good and bad, and so that we can come together and present those facts to the community to better educate them and to let them know what we've learned.
Well, the Metro has been a very open book in reference to fact-finding. They've allowed us to see the cost of a road, the funding that they have to purchase materials in order to get that road taken care of.
I thought I knew all the insides and outs, and about a little over a year ago, I decided to get a little more involved. And as I was getting more involved, I found out that I didn't know as much as I thought I did.
Instead of complaining about things or trying to be motivating and positive, I decided to get involved. And in order for the community to have a stability infrastructure, there needs to be involvement. And if the community doesn't get involved, then all we hear are complaints, and that doesn't get anybody anywhere.